Olaplex No.5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. A highly moisturizing, reparative conditioner that protects and repairs damaged hair, split ends, and frizz by relinking broken bonds. Free from DEA, aldehydes, and formaldehyde. Formulated for daily, every wash use. Repairs hair and maintains bonds within the hair, adds shine, strengthens. After using No.4 shampoo, apply a generous amount from scalp to tip. Leave on for 3 minutes, then rinse.
If you like to buy the product, please check out the link to purchase in description below.